Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Shungsun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. How to suck an army of affiliates to ram streams of income for you. Do you have a product so good you want everybody to know about it? How about generating more profits from it? If you want the answer, affiliates are the key. Nevertheless, how do you actually get swarms of affiliates to promote your product? Look below. 1. Create an affiliate program. The first step, of course, is to create your affiliate program. Make sure you have a good affiliate program that works perfectly well. Nobody will want to know that they have lost their commissions due to the malfunction of an affiliate program. If you don't have an affiliate program, you can use the service from Coco Shungsun UK or ClickBank. They provide an easy, one-step affiliate program that will send you checks every 2 weeks for your earnings. 2. Prepare the tools. This is one of the largest mistakes an affiliate program owner ever has. Preparing the right tools for your affiliates is crucial, as it can boost the response from your affiliates. When you do, you give your affiliates a big reason why they should promote your products. They don't need to start everything over from zero. They can improve or upgrade your tools and sell more effectively, or they can save their precious time preparing and instead start selling your products right away. 3. Urge your visitors. On your sales page, try and urge your visitors in affiliating your product. Many people just need a push on the back before they will do something. By urging them to do so, you not only get more affiliates, you can generate more profits as well. 4. Request subscribers. If you have a list of subscribers, send out an email asking them to become an affiliate for your product. Your subscribers know you better than just normal visitors. They'll be more responsive to your request. 5. Create viral reports. This is a very effective way of getting more affiliates to promote your products. A viral report consists of great contents to educate your readers, and you'll be able to request these readers in promoting your products as well. Viral reports get passed around a lot. They are one of the greatest ways of spreading the word on the internet. If you haven't created your own viral report, create one today. 6. Have a high-ticket product. Many affiliates are searching for products that have very high price tag so that they can earn more commissions upon a sale. Of course, make sure the price is reasonable so people will actually dig their wallets out for it. 7. Offer high commissions. A high commission is a great motivation for affiliates. If they can earn a big portion of commissions from a product or service upon their sales, it gives them a reason to continue promoting your product or service to people. Be generous on this, because affiliates can earn you twice as much alone, maybe even more. As the saying goes, give and you shall receive. 8. Embed the Tell a Friend function. Did you place the Tell a Friend function on your sales page? Did you place any of it on your order page either? How about the thank you page? And the page after people subscribe to your newsletter? If you haven't, you're a sales killer, you're an affiliate killer. Humans are lazy, they need a nudge before doing anything. Many people think that the Tell a Friend functions are not effective, but the fact is, they rock hard. Have you been on a page where you feel like telling a friend, but it takes so many things to do that so you simply leave the page and forget it? What if there's a Tell a Friend function right in front of your eyes? You just fill in the form in 5 seconds and send it all to your friends. That's how Tickle, MySpace, Friendster and all the other high-traffic website works in the word of mouth. Therefore, if you haven't applied any of the steps above, take action now and do it today. To your success. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Coco Shungsun pays you to have fun. CocoShungsun.net